I chose modern. That's the main thing for what I wanted to do with the bathroom and the whole house. So I went for nice black taps, a black shower splashback, and a nice low bath. Hi, I'm Matthew from Antrim, and this is my bathroom renovation. Spent years living in rented accommodation and not having any opportunity to do and put my own touches on things, so it was massively important that I was able to put my own touches on it. It's very modern, it's sleek, and it's exactly how I wanted it to be. It had to be 21st century. It's 2025. The house, it was built in 1970, so whenever you walked into it, you felt like you were being pulled from Back to the Future. There was no window in the upstairs bathroom, so you're walking into a small extractor fan, and in order to take that feel away and the feel that it used to be somebody else's, I putting in the window and putting in the nice black taps and the comfort height toilet, the black accessories and the nice wall radiator. Everything then just made it feel like you weren't living where you actually are. The online tooling was absolutely instrumental to me being able to feel confident in what I was doing with Bathshack. There was no doubt about it. I was able to go on loads of stuff I wanted to have but I couldn't put in because the bathroom size restricted me. But you were able to do so much with the tooling. It made you get everything that you needed, from storage, where you're putting your mirrors, everything was just absolutely perfect. Bathshack were brilliant from start to finish. From the second I went online and started looking and sort of trying to figure out what I was wanting to do. From my old house I was able to see a massive Bathshack banner on top of their Antrim branch from my old office. They were the first place I thought of, so in terms of marketing, perfect. From there then I reached out to the Antrim branch, got speaking with Jacob. He listened to me because I had absolutely no idea what I was doing, and he made it easy and straightforward. And for a dummy like myself with no experience in doing anything like this other than a picture in my head of what I wanted it to be, he helped me bring it to life. I would recommend Bathshack to every and anybody, and I have done multiple times. A great company to deal with. They don't take advantage of people. They encourage people to do what is best for them in terms of financials as well as aesthetics, and I would have no hesitation in recommending them to anybody.